In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple honey and ginger lemonade tonic drink that will increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism and load you up with lots of vitamins and minerals to help sustain and increase your energy levels. I will explain the benefits of having this simple drink as part of a regular diet and how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy tonic drink consists of only 3 simple ingredients that are easily accessible. These ingredients are 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of organic honey and a glass of water. Once you have all the contents gathered, you can place them in a glass or in a blender and mix everything until you have a consistent texture. This super simple and healthy drink is packed with lots of vitamin C that is perfect for sustained energy levels throughout the day, while also helping to boost your immune system to help fight off colds and flus. This is a simple drink that won't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised with how great it tastes to help get your day off to the perfect start. If you are looking for an excellent weight loss plan to get you on the right track to feeling better and having more energy, then be sure to check out the link in the description to help get you started. Again, if you're finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.